Welcome to our tutorial on how to unfollow a page on Twitter using your Android device. Are you tired of seeing content from certain pages on your feed? Let's walk through the steps to help you clean up your Twitter following list. To begin, open the Twitter app on your Android device. This can usually be found on your home screen or in the app's menu. Once you have the app open, navigate to the page you want to unfollow. You can do this by searching for the page in the search bar or by scrolling through your feed until you find their content. When you're on the page's profile, look for the Following button. This button indicates that you are currently following the page. Tap on this button to bring up a menu of options. From this menu, select the Unfollow option. By choosing to unfollow the page, you will no longer see their tweets and updates on your timeline. By following these simple steps, you can easily manage your Twitter following list and customize your feed to see the content that matters most to you. Enjoy a more tailored Twitter experience by unfollowing pages that no longer interest you.